Okay, so welcome back to my channel, and I've got a quick little Beauty Bay haul that I want to do, and then the next video that you guys will be seeing after this will be the tutorial with the new Beauty Bay Bright 2.0 palette, which I'm super excited about. So, for the haul, the first thing I got was this Beauty Bay Lip and Cheek Duo, and it's one of their Disney products, and it is in the shade Pinocchio Shorts. So I'm not really sure how well you guys will be able to see it, but this is the lip side. Just a really pretty red shade. And then this is the cheek side. If you can see that. It looks more like a deep, like brownish red. And then I picked up two of their blushers. This is the shade Bloom, which actually I'm wearing today, and it does have some sparkles in it, but I don't feel like that really came off on my skin when I was, putting it on. And then this is the shade Cosmo. It's just a really pretty, like, deep magenta color. Then I picked up the BH Cosmetics Lunar New Year palette. This is something I've been wanting to get my hands on. I know that, here's a look at the inside of the palette. People have been saying that it's been showing up in TJ Maxx, but I haven't seen it in mine yet, and it was on sale on Beauty Bay, and I just didn't want to risk not being able to get my hands on it. And then finally, the last thing is the Beauty Bay Bright 2.0 palette. This palette is beautiful. There's a look at that. Just really pretty, fun, colorful shades. This one's definitely deeper in tone than their original Bright palette, which I have one right here, which I'll show you guys. This is the Bright Matte palette. And here is what those shades look like. So yeah, that was just my quick little Beauty Bay haul. Stay tuned for the tutorial showing this Beauty Bay Bright 2.0 palette, which will be the next video that you guys will be seeing. Please like and subscribe, and just thank you so much for watching my video.